Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.